Hey friends, hello. I'm super excited to share with you the upcoming Fall into Fun class packet sale. And the Fall into Fun class packet sale is something I do once a year. So this is not going to happen again until next October, but we have class packets. We always make a couple extras when I do my classes, and so we have class packets ready to ship to you. So I'm going to show you what's included in the packets, and then you can get registered. Now, I also have some mystery boxes. Those boxes are really heavily discounted. They are well over 50% off, and there's 8 class packets in them, and we picked the packets, so we just put random packets in there. If you order more than one, know that there definitely could be overlapping classes, but not like tons, maybe 1 or 2 probably. I would say, well, I don't know for sure. We've packed them all up, so I can't tell you what's in them. They're all sealed and weighed and ready to go, but they are full of inspiration. So how it works is the link, I'll put the link up here for you. The registration link is going to have all the classes that I have available. Almost all the classes available have absolutely everything you need to make the projects. You just add your ink and stamps and dies in some cases. Like, you know, if there's a shape that cuts the die or a punch that cuts the image. So stamps are not included. I do have some bundles available, so read the descriptions carefully, because there's a couple classes that have bundles included in the price and then a couple that don't. So just read the instructions. All sales are final on these classes, so no refunds will be offered, and they only will ship to US addresses. So those are the highlights. Now I'm going to flip my camera and show you some examples of both projects and what the packets look like and what is included. Okay, so hold tight. Okay, guys, so the class packet sale is going to be awesome. There are really big discounts on individual packets, and then, of course, those mystery packets are even bigger discounts. Now, I don't know if I mentioned, every single class is going to get the class PDF, and the PDFs have photos, video links, and written instructions with dimensions and colors and all of those things listed. And then probably most all of them are going to have additional ideas included as well. Not every class has that. It kind of depends on the class, but the vast majority will have lots of additional samples. So they're really jam-packed with inspiration. Okay, so let me show you some examples. This is the boxed set of cards. This is the August 2022 make and takes, and this is a really awesome set of cards, and you'll get in all of these classes, you will get additional supplies to complete your projects. So for instance, you'll have more of these note cards and envelopes left over. Like the die cut pieces in this class are included, so you just literally can assemble these with the sentiments of your choice. So they're really easy to put together. So this gives you an idea of what the projects look like. They also contain embellishments. This one is going to have designer series paper. There are just a few classes, not very many, that do not have designer series paper, but often those classes are really easy to substitute something you probably have, or you might already have the designer series paper. Okay, here's another example of, this is from I want to say this is the Favored Flower Fun Fold class. It's the only one that's got Fun Fold in it. Literally all you need for this one are the sentiments that we added. Everything else is included in the kit. So this is a cute little Fun Fold as part of that class. Here's another cute little Fun Fold. This is one of those kind of standy-uppy cards. Isn't that cool? And then of course, you can write on the back. So all the classes are just, I think, amazing. Here's another one. Let me show you this one. This is the February make and takes. here's what the packet looks like. It's got some designer series paper in it. It's got ribbon. It's got memories and more cards. So everything you need. I don't even think you stamp in this one. But the cards are super cute. So let me show you a couple of the cards that we created. Oh my gosh, this one's so stinking cute. Look at that. Oops, one of my embellishments came off. We'll stick that right back on. But the beauty of this is that the packets have all the things that you need to create the cards. And like this one has a little die cut heart we included for you, so you're good to go. Okay, let me show you another one from that packet. This super cute card. Really easy to create projects. Ooh, this is a good one. If I can just say. This is the Alphabest class. This has a Memories and More card pack in it, a roll of ribbon, some embellishments, all the pre-cut cardstock to make your projects. Really, 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 really awesome projects. You can use the Alphabest stamp set, but you can actually substitute other things if you don't have that. But that's what we used for this card class. So lots of goodies in here. What else do I have to share with you? Ooh, this is another this was an amazing class, if I can just say. This is the True Beauty class. Let me pull out the paper just to show you. So you get a half a pack of this designer series paper that's no longer available. Some of this, oh, I can't remember what this stuff was called. I want to say like pearlized, but no, that's not right. Maybe mother of pearl paper. I can't recall, but some of that paper. This 2 rolls of ribbon, and this is really good ribbon, and then a package of polished dots. Now this uses the True Beauty bundle. If you don't have it, you can substitute other things, or you can use the designer series paper to complete your projects for the most part. You might substitute a flower set, and I'm just going to go out on a limb and say you probably have one. So lots of inspiration. Ooh, this is another really good one. This is the Sweet Citrus class. I've got a couple projects from that. This class is going to have some twine, some pearls, and some designer series paper in it. You will need the Sweet Citrus stamp set and the coordinating dies and embossing folder that are available. I know many of you have that. These projects, by the way, were amazing, if I can just say. So this is another one I really recommend. Ooh, here's another fun one. This is from the Layering Leaves Make and Takes. These make super cute projects. Let me just pull this one. I've got a couple out. These will fit in regular old envelopes. Okay, so you can put little messages or gift cards, and there's little inserts. This is going to include all the stuff, the die cut pieces and everything. You just add the stamps. So really fun. There's all kinds of good stuff that you can do with this one as well. So lots and lots of things. I think I even have a retreat. I have a few boxes left from a retreat from last fall. So great, great deals. Make sure and shop by adding all the classes that you want to your registration, and then check out. If you decide you want more, let me know, because you can't register, or you can, you just would need a different email, because my registration will only allow you to register one time. So if you have any questions, let me know. Now, all of your class PDFs are going to come from the help@thecreativitycave.com email address. So watch for that. Sometimes that ends up in your spam folder. Everything is going to start shipping on Tuesday, both class PDFs and your packages. All packages will start going out on Tuesday. So shop early for the best selection. If you have questions, again, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for being here, and happy stamping, my friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.